Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate mockups in Placeit for brand presentations. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with activating mockups in Placeit for your brand presentations, open your web browser. Navigate to the Placeit website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once signed in, use the search bar to find the type of mockup you need. You can explore categories like devices, apparel, or print products. After selecting a category, browse through the available mockups. Click on a mockup that catches your eye to view its details. On the mockup page, you will see a preview of the design. To customize this mockup, locate the Upload button. Click the Upload button to select an image or design file from your device. Ensure that your image meets the recommended dimensions for the best result. After the upload completes, you will see your design appear on the mockup. You can adjust the positioning of your design using the provided tools. Check the options available for editing any text or colors on the mockup. Once satisfied with your adjustments, click on the Download button. Choose your preferred file format and quality settings. Finally, click the Confirm button to start the download process. Your mockup will be saved to your device, ready for your brand presentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.